Electoral roll. Revision in an election year. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guidelines of Election Commission of India. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines or rules or laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the provision of revision of electoral roll under section 21(2) of RP Act 1950 of electoral roll in Constitution of India. Cite the pre-revision activities. Know about the revision in electoral roll in an election year. Revision in an election year. Section 21(2) of RP Act 1950 provides that before each general election to parliamentary constituency or assembly constituency, electoral roll shall be revised with reference to qualifying date. So, as per the instructions and schedule decided by the Commission, pre-revision activities and SSR is done. Pre-revision activities. House-to-house survey by BLOs, rationalization and rearrangement of polling stations, removal of discrepancies in electoral roll, recasting of parts or sections and finalization of proposed parts or sections, updation of control table. SSR activities. Publication of integrated draft roll, filing of claims and objections, disposal of claims and objections, health analysis of electoral roll and obtaining permission from the Commission for final publication, updating database and printing of supplements. No suo motu deletions shall be done in an election year when a general election to State Assembly or House of People is due in the state concerned during the 6 months period ending on the date of expiry of the term of the said House. However, suo motu deletion can be done in special circumstances after obtaining the Commission's approval. No deletion except on the basis of Form 8 or modification shall be done by ERO either suo motu or on basis of forms after announcement of elections. Form 7 and 8 received till date of announcement will be taken for disposal, meaning thereby only forms will be disposed till 10th day from date of announcement. Form 6 in case of new registration or Form 8 in case of shifting received till date of announcement will be taken for disposal till the 10th day from date of announcement, that is, till the last day of making of nominations. All Form 7 and Form 8 for the purpose other than shifting of residence received after the date of announcement of election shall be kept pending and will be taken up for disposal only after the completion of election process. Addition of names will be carried on till the last date of filing nominations. All Form 6 received till 10th day before the last date of filing of nominations shall be disposed of and the addition supplement be prepared by the EROs up to the last date of filing of nominations. Form 8 in which change of address on the ground of shifting has been sought shall be processed for addition at new place and deletions of such name at old address shall not be done and name of such elector shall be put in the ASD list. After the completion of poll process, deletion of names of such electors shall be done by the concerned ERO. Addition of names will be carried on till the last date of filing nominations. All Form 6 received till 10th day before the last date of filing of nominations shall be disposed of, and the addition supplement be prepared by the EROs up to the last date of filing of nominations. Inclusion or addition of names will carry on till last date of filing of nomination. Therefore, the addition list reflecting entries from the date of final publication to the last date of filing nomination shall be printed after the last date of filing nomination. All additions shall be added diatonically below the basic mother roll without disturbing sequence or serial number of electors, so added with caption "Additions during continuous updation." Modification made in second supplement shall be reflected at the appropriate serial number. On last date of filing nominations, rolls shall be frozen. The integrated roll incorporating supplements shall be printed immediately after 10th day of announcement of election, after disposing all forms 7 or 8 received till the date of announcement of election. As inclusion of name will carry on till last date of filing of nominations, the addition list of second supplement, or the case may be, will be printed only after the last date of filing nomination is over and within the period of 3 days of last date of withdrawal of candidatures. The integrated roll along with the supplements shall be given to the contesting candidates of recognized political parties within 3 days of last date of withdrawal of candidatures. The identical integrated roll, after indicating postal ballot or EDC, shall be used for polling, known as marked copy of electoral roll. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this video, you can contact through the mail address as shown on the screen. For more election related material, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.